Um, I want to explain about a monthly predictions because a lot of YouTube astrologers out there they putting a lot of like a monthly, sometimes you even weekly. It's such an interesting um, thing to do. But the thing about transit for Gocher, um, the thing about transit is that if you are not running any of the quickest planet that is moving, like for example Venus, the Moon, the Sun, Mars, those planets, and also Mercury, those planets move so quickly. So if you are not running any of the Antardasha or Pranadasha or the Mahadasha itself, if someone is watching this kind of video, uh, the transit is that it just not giving 100%, you know, unless if there is that quick planet has some kind of like conjunction in in your chart, in individual chart. That is why that is important to you. But on a mundane scale, this kind of transit isn't really I'm not saying not important. They do important. They uh, trigger an event, in our everyday life. But because they move so quickly, um, sometimes we not feeling it. It's just not feeling it. This is why I never really making a video like a monthly uh, video about transit, of the moon, Venus, stuff like that. And also, the most important things about transit when it comes to heavy planet like grahas, like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Jupiter. This planet, the slowest planet, even if you are not running any of the Antardashas or Mahadasha itself, the impact is huge. Why? Because the slowest planet moving so slowly, they take time to give the result. So everybody in a general sense, the slowest planet always feels like it is impacting everyone. And that's the important things about the heaviest and slowest planet. Now, um, if you are not running any of the Mahadasha of the quick moving planet, or Antarjasha, or even Sukmadasha, I think transit or a video that is explaining what will happen in the next month, it's just not going to give you 100% result. Gochar is not 100% unless if that is the main Mahadasha Lord that is active in your active Mahadasha. Always when it comes to Gochar, look at who is active Mahadasha. Is it Venus? Is it Sun? Or is it Moon? Are those quick planets are involved, or any conjunction, or having any, you know, the same triangle sign that can impacting that. But even when the conjunction itself is taking in the same degree, it's not going to be 100%. I'm sorry to say this, but um, it's just transit. It's always not always 100%, and this is why I never really cover the entire 12 sign when it comes to my prediction. And also, I have like a limited access to editing my video. But the main reason is that every planet, every Mahadasha Lord is the important things to look up for any transit. If you're not running any of the transit of that planet on that particular planet, and it is not the main active Mahadasha Lord, it's just not going to give you 100%.